If your food always tastes flat, this is probably why.
Even when you follow the recipe perfectly. The problem isn't your ingredients, and it's not your skill. Most people think recipes guarantee flavor. That's where the problem starts. They don't. Recipes give quantities, not judgment. Flavor isn't fixed. It changes while food cooks. Once cooking starts, people stop tasting. They trust the instructions instead of their senses. They trust the instructions. Heat changes everything. Salt, acid, and fat behave differently over time. Chefs taste constantly. That's how they adjust. Following rules feels safer. But cooking isn't math. It's feedback. Taste while cooking. Adjust gradually. You regain control. Flavor becomes intentional. Good food isn't followed. It's corrected. Same recipe. Completely different result. If your food tastes flat, it's not the recipe. It's how you use it. Do you usually taste while cooking, or only at the end?